Hey, loves. Good morning. This is Greater Portmore in the morning. That's the view from my roof. That's the view from my roof. So I'm just catching up 5 minutes, 5 minute rest. Just came back from walking, pretending that I don't need to go get ready. I'm trying to pretend that I don't have a very busy day today. I have an extremely busy day coming up today. Extremely busy. All my days are busy, but today going to be very hectic. Um, I'll be out of Portmore for much of the day too. But I just want to wish you all a good morning. I want to wish you a very pleasant, happy, and productive day today. We are in what? This is the last day of my birth month. I had a wonderful birthday party on the 18th. Last year, I had my very first birthday party at 50 years old. My very first. And I told myself last year that every year I will celebrate from this day forward. From this day forward, I will celebrate every year, every birthday, because it is so important that we understand how blessed we are to have birthdays. Of course, without saying, some people didn't wake up this morning. Some people will not see their next birthday. So, every year when that day comes around, I celebrate every day. Every day. I love life. I love, 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 love life. I love being alive. I love creating things. I love improving things. I love sharing with people and helping them to grow and develop, especially kids. I wake up every day ready to dive into that purpose. There are so many things that I love to do. I love to write. I love to sing. I love to create. I love to decorate. I love to teach. And, we need to be grateful. We need to be grateful. Even though we are just a speck in this creation, if you compare us to some other things, we are, as the song say, to history we are so small, and to the universe do we matter at all? I believe that was Labi Siffre. Labi Siffre. To history we are so small, and to the universe do we even matter? Do we even matter at all compared to the universe? Yes, we do matter. We are a part, albeit a minuscule part, but still a part of the creation. And within this our space, forget about the universe now. Focus on this universe. You are your universe. To that universe, you are the bomb. You are the greatest. You are the whole meaning of it all. You are a microcosm, right? And you matter. You are important and you should be celebrated. And I made a point of duty. When I had my first birthday party last year, I made a promise to myself. every year I will celebrate with family and friends. And my students came as well. Their parents, some of their parents came. All were invited. Um, yeah, we have to celebrate. Oh, look at those two birds. Oh, I can. If you come up here in the mornings, you'll hear lots of different birds. My daughter, she's very much into the birds and their songs and so on. And she came up here, and I think she recorded dozens of different birds and their sounds and stuff. So I'm really trying to make this space. I mean, right now it's just my swing, my chocolate sweet, my chocolate chair swing. I love it so much. Right now it's just this up here on the roof, but I definitely want to make this space into something really beautiful and tranquil, and where I can just come and relax and maybe chat to you guys for a little bit before I start my very busy day. I can come for 5 minutes and pretend that I don't have a whole lot to do. My students, my grade 6 students, had their PEP yesterday, grade 6 PEP exam, and they're going back this morning for the second day of PEP. My C6 students, they have their exams coming up very shortly. And we have the other PEP, the grade 5 and grade 4 PEP coming up too. So this is a very busy time of year for teachers and students. Exams all around. City and Guilds coming up, all of those exams coming up. If it's even 5 or 10 minutes a day, just take some time. Get in your swing, get a chair swing like this. I highly recommend it. It is so beautiful. I love it. I love it. I love my swing. I would recommend get you a chair swing like mine, or any other type of swing, or rocking chair, or hammock or something, or just your regular chair. Just sit down 5 or 10 minutes and just chill. 5 or 10 minutes a day, just chill, just sit. You don't even have to think about anything. Just swing. Just swing. See, I'm just swinging. Just swing, 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 swing. Just swing. You don't have to say anything. You don't have to think any deep philosophical thoughts. Look at the coconut tree. Let me see if I can show you the coconut tree. That's the coconut tree. Many coconut trees. You see how high up I am? I'm very high from the ground right now. On my roof. Swinging. Just find a little spot in your home in the morning before the day starts. A quiet little place. And just swing. Just relax. Meditate. I do my affirmations every day and every night. Just write some positive words that you can repeat to yourself. And just calm your spirit. Just be calm. Just be calm. All right. I think it's time. Oh, look at Portmore coming alive. Portmore is waking up. Portmore is waking up. This is Greater Portmore. Greater Portmore is waking up. And I am going now to start my day.